Hello Sagittarians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video we'll see what's going on in your love life. Okay, so on one side will be your energies, on the other side will be the energies of the person you are dealing with, and then the most likely outcome. And please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. And if this reading doesn't resonate with you, please check your moon sign and your ascendant. For personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. New Year readings have been uploaded on my channel. Do check them out also. Okay, so let's see what's going on in your love life, Sagittarians. So on one side are your energies. So let's see what are your energies, Sagittarians. So you have the King of Swords on your side. Let's see what are the energies of the person you are dealing with. The Three of Wands. Okay, the most likely outcome in this situation is the Chariot. Okay. That looks a little weird though, but anyway, we'll clarify and see what that is. So on your side we have the King of Swords. So you are thinking logically about a situation. I really don't think you people are talking to each other, or maybe it is a minimal and a very straightforward type of a communication. Okay, thinking really logically and maybe being a little strategic also. As far as your person is concerned with the Three of Wands, I see this person turning their back, looking for different horizons, waiting for something. We'll clarify what that waiting is, and are they really turning their back on you. Because I'm saying that because as the most likely outcome we have the Chariot, which means fast action taken and movement forward. So let's see how it proceeds. So let's clarify the King of Swords on your side, Sagittarian. So let's clarify the King of Swords on your side. So for the King of Swords we have the Magician, the Nine of Pentacles, and the High Priestess. Okay, as far as your person is concerned, for the Three of Wands we have the Page of Cups, the Moon, and the Knight of Cups. Okay, let's see let's clarify the Chariot as the most likely outcome. So for the Chariot we have the Five of Pentacles, the Page of Wands, and the Devil. So Sagittarians, as far as you are concerned, I see you focusing on yourself. You are single right now. Okay, at least energetically you feel single if you are not actually single. Okay, so but yes, you are focusing on yourself. Maybe you've taken a break or a vacation, but the energies are that you are single, focusing on yourself, trying to rejuvenate yourself and wanting a new beginning. So whatever you are thinking here is, there is a deep thinking going on, and I really see you being detached from other people. It's all, whatever you are thinking and planning, you are doing that on your own. You are trying to listen to your inner voice. You are being very intuitive here. You are just finding time detached from the world and people around you, so that you can actually look for answers within what you really want in this relationship. Okay, and you are wanting to build up something new. You are wanting to manifest a new beginning. Okay, and for that you are really thinking very logically, listening to your inner voice also, and it's like you are doing the best you can as far as this decision making is concerned. As far as your person is concerned, for the Three of Wands we have the Page of Cups, the Moon, and the Knight of Cups. So definitely I don't think they're really turning their back, but what I feel here is that perhaps since you have taken a break and you are being energetically at least being single, so maybe you are not focusing on them because there is some lack of clarity on their side. They really don't know what's going on at your end perhaps. Okay, though they have affection for you, though they have love for you, though they want to open up to you, but the thing here is there is some sort of lack of clarity, and that is why maybe they are feeling ignored, and maybe they are feeling that you are not interested, and that is why they are turning their back. So if they are trying to move away from you, it is because they really don't know what's going on at your end. That is the reason. It's not that they are not interested. They are interested. They feel that you are not interested. That is why they feel that they need to move on. or maybe they need to quit, something of that sort. The most likely outcome is the Chariot. So for the Chariot, we have the Five of Pentacles, the Page of Wands, and the Devil. So here there is something. So what I feel is a small step will be taken, and that will ultimately sort of a small step will immediately things. Then if you take the first step, then things will immediately start moving fast and things will pick up pace. Okay, but we have the Five of Pentacles and the Devil also associated with it. So what I feel here is somebody here is being ignored and rejected, and that is what I feel is the energy of your person. Can be you though. So somebody here is feeling rejected and dejected. Okay, and that is why this person is perhaps trying to move on. And somehow with the Devil, somehow what I feel is it is your energy, because maybe you are not showing your love and affection to them. Okay, maybe you are, if not trying to act smart, then maybe you, that is your habit, that you are not opening up. Okay, maybe you are not opening up, or for some fear of, maybe some fear for some, and for some reason. So whatever the reason is, with the Devil showing up, that is what is sort of harming this relationship in some way, shape or form. Okay, so you are not, maybe you have that fear of opening up, maybe you don't want to open up, maybe you are thinking of something else or someone else. So there is something here attached on your side, because it is you who are thinking logically. You have taken a break, you have detached, you are not talking to this person. So though this person, so that is what is showing up over here, because somebody here is feeling rejected because of what you are doing, your behaviors, your attitudes. So that is why this person feels that they need to move on. Okay, they need to leave the situation even if they don't want to. Okay, but what I feel is if somebody here, any of you, takes a small step forward, things will rapidly pick up pace and momentum. So let's see what is the guidance from this deck. Number 27 may be of some significance for you. Spiritual connection. A relationship that has a connection which goes beyond its lifetime. So Sagittarians, hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye. Thank you.